Did the government ignore one legend for another? Headlines today has accessed documents which prove that how the government just not bent rules to give the highest civilian award to Sachin Tendulkar, but also how hockey legend Dhyan Chand was ignored. Here's the inside story of the Bharat Ratnas now.
Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, the first sports person to receive India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. The government bending its rules to give the master his due. But in this process, the centre chose to ignore another deserving sportsperson, India's hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand. Documents accessed by Headlines Today shows how the government chose one legend over the other. As per the earlier rules, Bharat Ratna was awarded to a civilian in recognition of exceptional service in art, literature, science and public service. Keeping Tendulkar in mind, the government amended the rule to award it for exceptional service performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavour. After this happened, Sports Minister Jitendra Singh recommended that Dhyan Chand should also be considered alongside Sachin. In the same year, as many as 81 MPs had also pitched in for the hockey wizard to be bestowed with the highest civilian award. But sources say the Prime Minister decided to go with Tendulkar on grounds of his popular appeal.
आज भी हम उनको सिर नवाते हैं, उस बात में नीचे करते हैं, झुका कर सलाम करते हैं और ध्यानचंद को उसमें सबसे पहल शुरुआती दौर में शुरुआत ध्यानचंद से हो.
But in an about turn, the Sports Ministry now insists they made no recommendation to the PMO this year for Bharat Ratna for Dhyan Chand. But senior government officials say that Dhyan Chand's name was in the reckoning along with Tendulkar ever since the rules were changed in 2011. Major Dhyan Chand's feats are comparable to Pele in football and even Bradman in cricket. And the Bharat Ratna would be the perfect way to give the legend his long overdue recognition. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.